Want to earn money while you sleep? Today we're sharing 5 unique passive income ideas that you might not have thought of but can start with little upfront work. Let's jump right in. 1. Sell digital products. Create and sell digital products like templates, printables, or digital artwork on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Once the product is created, you don't need to worry about inventory or shipping costs, and customers can download instantly. It's a fantastic way to earn money from creative skills without constantly putting in time. 2. Licensing music or sound effects. If you're into music production or have a talent for sound design, consider creating unique audio tracks, background music, or sound effects and licensing them on platforms like Audio Jungle or Pond 5. Whenever someone purchases your sounds, you receive a royalty, which means a steady income stream from a single creation. This approach lets you continuously earn from each track or effect you produce, turning your passion into passive income. 3. Create a mobile app or simple game. Creating an app might sound daunting, but with no-code tools like Adalo or Glide, it's easier than ever to build one without needing any coding skills. You can design a basic app or game, incorporating ads or in-app purchases to generate passive income whenever users interact with it. As your app gains traction, its potential for revenue grows, becoming a reliable income stream. This approach allows you to transform your ideas into functional apps that could bring in consistent earnings over time, whether through advertisements, upgrades, or special features, all without the technical complexity traditionally required for app development. 4. Build a niche website. Choose a topic you're passionate about, whether it's travel, cooking, or personal finance, and create a blog or website dedicated to it. With user-friendly platforms like WordPress and Squarespace, setting up your site is simple and quick. As you build valuable content and attract readers, you can start monetizing through ad revenue, sponsored posts, or affiliate links, making income as people visit and engage with your site. Over time, as your audience grows, your website becomes a valuable asset that generates passive income, allowing you to earn from something you enjoy while continuously reaching new visitors. 5. Invest in vending machines. Once you set up a vending machine in a high-traffic area, it can generate passive income through sales of snacks, drinks, or even specialty items. It does take some initial investment and maintenance, but vending machines can provide regular cash flow with relatively low effort once established. That's it for today's 5 unique passive income ideas. Each one offers something different, so you can find the right fit for your skills and goals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on which passive income idea you'd like to try next. Thanks for watching, and let's make those money moves together.